job, you guys. You have to be health coach. Let's go. We're in production.
The Athens Community Career Academy's Yellow Jacket Bistro has been in operation for 4 months and has prepared and served food for regularly scheduled events for the Athens community and ACCA.
There's a lot of catering stuff we do. Like probably every week we have like someone coming over or some person or some group like having a meeting.
The restaurant, along with a refurbished kitchen, were part of a $20 million project funded by East Plots and donations from local businesses.
Our students should be able to come out of our third level in the pathway and come straight in a line position. And again, what they learn in here transcends industry, meaning they can take these same skills, communication, teamwork, all the things they're learning in here, and go anywhere and apply it.
I wasn't completely sure if I want to do like still go into the culinary path, but there's a lot of stuff I've learned on how to be better in the kitchen in general, like at my own house.
The new facility serves to bring resources and opportunities to ACCA culinary students.
When you think CTAE career, that's where we fall. It really is just preparing them for the next level.
This has been Isabella Westrich for the Odyssey Media Group.